Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
To the house right here, you back. So like up in there, what do we have? We don't know yet, and his motorcycle's registered as 2607 Maple Street.
What's that? Hey, come here, bud. What's going on? Why are you riding around the city? Yeah.
Please don't. My daughter's right here.
I know. Relax. Hey, relax. Relax. What's going on with him? Okay, come over here and talk to me. What happened? Okay, what happened? Okay. Okay, what happened? He made you crash the guy?
Yeah.
Okay, calm down. Let's work it out. We don't know.
He's gonna come back.
Yeah, somebody called saying you had a gun. Calm down.
I'm gonna fucking serve you, motherfucker.
All right, calm down, bro.
Fuck you guys.
Calm down, bro. Can we call you an ambulance?
You know what? Fuck you.
Hey, can we call you an ambulance? Hey, bud. Hey, put that down. Put it 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 down.
Put it down.
Put it down. No. What the fuck? Taser. Taser deployment. Get down. Get down.
Back up.
Get back.
Back up, man.
Get back up. Get down. Get down.
Tase me. I'm down.
Okay, get down.
Get down. Lay flat on the
Get
ground.
down. Lay down flat.
Back him up. Back him up. Hey.
We need you to back up.
Lay flat on the ground.
Maybe go
Get
down
your
on
ground.
my
Lay flat on the ground.
Get your clothes on, let's detain him!
Go.
Let's go.
Grab him.
I ain't doing nothing. I ain't
Keep your hands on there.
Keep your, I got the knife. Get the knife.
Stay right
Go.
there.
Get off the air! Get off the air!
Go. Grab him.
I'm alright. I'm alright. That fucker cut me off, made me crash, and told me he'd come back. I take that as a threat. It's like one of you homeboys, if somebody tells you they're gonna come back and get one of you homeboys.
We're here to help you.
I don't think so. That fucking dude pulled up at the house, dropped his kid off, and they don't want to tell me shit. That bitch called the cops. I know that.
All right, calm down, bro.
I literally
Just breathe. There's an ambulance on the way, okay?
fuck that.
Let me get some gloves on.
Who else is in the house?
Yeah.
That motherfucker
Okay.
cut me off.
Okay.
Fuck you. I ain't going on.
Okay.
That motherfucker
Okay.
cut me off and did this shit.
Okay, what happened? He made you crash the guy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's work it out.
And tell me he's gonna come back. You wanna come back to my house? I'm gonna fucking serve you, motherfucker, now. Fuck you guys.
Calm down, bro. Can we call you an ambulance?
You know what? Fuck you.
Hey, can we call you an ambulance?
Hey,
Hey, bud.
put that down.
Hey.
Put it down. Put it down.
Put it down. Put it down. Put it down now. Put it down. Put it down. Come on, let's talk about that.
What the fuck?
Move back. Move back.
What the fuck?
Get on the ground. Hey, back up.
Fuck you. Let me get off the fucking grass.
Get
Down, fucking out.
Hey.
Tase me. I'm down.
Get down. Get down. Hey,
Down. Lay down flat.
back him up. Back him up. Hey, we need you guys to detain him. Hold on.
That motherfucker cut me off. Made me go down.
Get your ground! Get your glove on! Get your gloves on, let's detain him!
You're having it wrong right now. Lay flat.
I ain't doing nothing. I ain't
Keep
doing
your hands
nothing.
on there.
I swear to God, I ain't doing nothing.
Stay right there.
Get out the air. Go.
Lay flat.
I'm alright. I'm alright. That fucker cut me off, made me crash, and told me he'd come back. I take that as a threat. It's It's like when you homeboys, if somebody tells you they're gonna come back and get one of you homeboys.
You got enough bodies here.
I don't think so. That fucking dude pulled up at that house, dropped his kid off, and they don't want to tell me.
Watch. Where's your car?